Hi everybody, thank you for joining. My name is Heather McNellis and today I'm going to show you how to post a job on the NADCO website. Start off by going to the NADCO website and signing in. That button will be here in the upper right hand corner of the screen. I am already signed in, so I have the option of signing out. If you do not have your credentials, please get in touch with someone at NADCO. The first step in this process is going to be navigating to jobs in the main navigation bar and then hitting that first option for employers in the drop-down menu. All right. While that image loads, you can scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you'll notice under Post a Job we have 30, 60, and 90-day job posting options. The rates here are the member rates, so please be cognizant of that. If you are a non-member, those rates are $50 more. I'm going to select the 30-day option. This is simply the cart. I'm going to quickly run through this portion because I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Once you get this thank you message, it means that you've successfully purchased the job and you're ready to move on to phase 2, which is actually posting your job. You do that by navigating again to the upper right-hand corner of your screen and selecting Manage Profile. Scroll down to the last subcategory there called Networking and Careers and select Career Postings. Note that the red button indicates an inactive job posting and the green button indicates an active job posting. So if you have an active job, it will appear in this section with a green button and you'll be able to edit an active job at any time. When you do make that purchase, an untitled and inactive job posting is automatically going to be put in this area. So you'll use that inactive and untitled job posting and edit it in order to create an active and filled out posting. Again, I'm just going to fill out the bare minimum information. You'll see the required fields, and I would just make a couple of quick notes. One, absolutely make sure that you change the status of your job posting to active as soon as you're ready for other people to see that. Leave it as inactive if you're not ready to launch yet or you want to come back to make some changes. Fill out in the unrequired information anything that you would like to include. Note that these categories, primary and additional, is how job seekers are going to be searching for the position that you post. So if it's an executive job, for example, you could mark that, but say you want an executive that also is a BDO. Then you could select this additional category here. Note again on the how to apply and the allow online application areas, you can select yes, and that will simply add a button at the bottom of your job posting that says apply now, and people that are viewing the job posting will be able to apply online and you'll receive those resumes in the Career Center through that portal. If you do not want people to submit their resumes through the NADCO website, you can simply say, put those instructions for applying here. So for example, email such and such person, and that application information will be right here. Scroll down. This second large box is where you put the remainder of the information. Any required qualifications, education, experience, job roles, etc. will all go here, and it will require contact information and validation. You do need a value in your description field as well. And once you have worked through those steps, you are done and you now have another active job posting. So that concludes my presentation for how to post a job on the NAGCO website. We will also have a step-by-step PowerPoint which will explain each of the steps that I just went over, and that will be posted along with this webinar.